Okay, the company that ended up making the repair in 2019 used a sharp bite fitting on a valve here and put this in. It has held and would have probably continued to hold, and the foundation that was lifted, since this was a weak joint due to a sharp bite fitting, it has actually pulled the plumbing away due to the fact of the house being lifted. The plumbing is secure and tight, and whenever it is lifted, then what it does is it'll separate any type of solder joint or a sharp bite fitting. And since the house was lifted and this was a sharp bite fitting that was used, it has separated the plumbing right there. And since this is actually on the top side by the house, so when the house was lifted, this is where it ended up pulling it from. You saw how the water came out the top. If it was the piece that actually failed, you would have been getting water from the bottom end instead of the top end. The top end, you can actually see how the sharp bite fitting is pulled loose, because that brown piece right there would all the way, that piece right there would all the way be pushed into the line.
Oh yeah.
And due to the fact of that being pulled loose, you can tell since the house was lifted, this was the least resistance on the pipe, which just caused the leak here at this point. So I'm going to get all this uploaded for y'all's records.